This was absolutely delicious. Get your garlic, bash it flat. The skin comes away really easy. Give it a chop, okay? And then, this looks funny, putting mayonnaise on chicken breasts, but it helps this dust, this Cajun seasoning dust, stick really, really well. Flip them over, do the other side. You want it on both sides, trust me. Parmesan Reggiano, the real deal. Shred it up, okay? Now, get your water, salt you like to see, chop up some flat leaf, and then get your chicken onto a reasonably hot pan. You want the seasoning to go brown like that. That's really important. Get it off and tent it. Yeah, a little bit of tin foil. You don't want that thing kind of like leaking out when you cut it. Don't cut it too thin. It needs to be about a finger thick. You're gonna get both of these breasts to do that, okay? Now, what are we gonna do next? Oh my god, that looks so good, doesn't it? Looks so good. Oh yeah, bit of butter. Melt it on a pan. Do not burn the butter. This is a time lapse. It's really fast. Then we're going to get the garlic in there, and the smell from this is unbelievably good. Look at how it fizzes up. You can lower the heat here and let it settle. Now we're going to get a little bit of fat in here. The 33% cream is what you want. No low fat, no low skim. Get your parm in there on a low heat. Push it around. And then get your Cajun seasoning in here. You can put in a lot more than this if you like. This is the quantity I'd recommend the first time you're doing it. And you should taste it. Now, get your pasta and put it in here. Don't drain away the water because the water is starchy, so it acts as an emulsifier, which makes your sauce thick. As you can see, I'm lifting from the bottom here to get the sauce up onto the pasta. Bit of parsley for presentation, visual appeal. Make your nests. I actually grabbed two piles of that pasta, and then we can put the stuff on top. Yeah, well, maybe we should edit that out. But I swear to God, the smell was so good. I was really looking forward to eating this. We all were. Hey, like and subscribe if you want to see my videos again. Cheers, bye.